Alright, fine. I'll do a new tutorial. And if it's not working, I'ma crash out. Alright guys. Alright, so this is what you gotta do. Yeah, listen closely. So, you can either make it yourself by just going to avatar right here and character R15 or R6. Add in you can add in block avatar, clip editor, and then you start working. Or if you have mood animator, you could do it right there. Alright, so here's what you need to do. Alright, so 1, you can either make it yourself. 2, you can just find one on the toolbox. For this tutorial, I'm gonna do it on the toolbox. And you guys can do it too, or you could just make it from scratch. So, alright. So I'm just gonna search up Rocky animation. Don't mind the barking if you hear it. Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna just do this one right here. So first you just go on avatar, then and then you go on clip editor, and then so it can work for any animation. So for me, I'm just so migrate means you're choosing that. Delete means I don't really know what delete is, but I'll just migrate for the walk-in. So this is what it'll look like. Of course, it will look like that. So click the 3 dots right here. And then you're gonna want to click publish to Roblox. You're gonna name what I need to go on description. I recommend you delete the local instance, and if you have a group, which you should join my group, you could make it yourself, or in your group or whatever. And you can just click publish down like right there. But I already have one, which I did in the last tutorial, which is just broken. Alright, let's go to inventory. So first you go from the inventory, and then go to animations, and then right here is the walk-in animation. But I'm gonna do this one, so why not? So you copy the asset ID, then you play test the game. So you see that we don't have the walk-in animation yet, but if you go to workspace, go to your character, which will have all the parts with the pants, shirts, the accessories, body colors, all that. You're gonna want to go here. So if you see this animate thing, you're gonna want to right click it and copy it. So then you stop the game. Go to start players, and then in start character scripts, you're gonna want to paste it into there. And then once it's in there, go to where it says walk right there. So then you're gonna want to put the animation ID in there. Hold on, wait. I don't know what's wrong with it. I swear I copied it. Alright, so it's right there. Then if you playtest the game, it should work. See? Look at that. Now it works. Alright, that's how you do it. If I get even one more comment, trust me, I'm not making one. I'm gonna get mad. Well, not mad at you, but just mad. I'm not gonna be mad at you. But anyways, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.